lady, cursing natural life. You're a discontented mother and a regimented wife. I've no doubt you dream about the things you never do, but I wish someone had to talk to me like I wanna talk to you. I've been to Georgia and California, and anywhere I could run. Took the hand of a preacher man and we made love in the sun. But I run out of places and friendly faces because I had to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Please lady, don't just walk away, 'cause I have this need to tell you why I'm all alone today. I can see so much of me still even in your eyes. Won't you share a part of a weary heart that has lived a million lives? I've been to Nice and the Isle of Greece while I sip champagne on a yacht. I move like Harlow in Monte Carlo and show them what I've got. I've been undressed by kings and I've seen some things that a woman is supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Hey, you know what paradise is? It's a lie, a fantasy created about people and places as we like them to be. But you know what the truth is? It's like a little baby you're holding, and it's sitting on your fought with this morning, the same one you're gonna make love tonight. That's true, that's love. Sometimes I tend to go crying for unborn children that might have made me complete. I took the still life I never knew why they beat her from the sweet. I spent my life exploring this alluring that cost too much to be free. Hey lady, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Never been to me. Thank you so much.